It's Saturday night. We're not at the racetrack. It's raining and thundering. It's roughly 7:30, so this would have been right in the middle of our futures. And earlier today, the heat index was almost 100, so management decided, no, we're done. Which makes sense. I just hope that the storms don't knock out any more of the electronics that I spent yesterday fixing. Anyways, I'm sure we'll catch up with some more with what Ed's doing later. It got worse. This would not have been fun to drive home in had we actually gotten out to the track, unpacked, started racing. At least the humidity's gone. But yeah, we got some, yeah, this would definitely put a stop to any sort of racing. It's Tuesday night and the rain is back. We had one nice day yesterday. We went and visited Dennis, picked up some parts, but no racing tomorrow. Forecast isn't looking so good for Saturday either. And by tomorrow, I mean today when this video comes out.
Yes.
He's gonna be grumpy again.
He's always grumpy.
But more grumpy because he doesn't get to go racing.
I'd say Mother Nature, you know, what are you going to do? We have an outdoor sport that we enjoy.
Mother Nature says no.
Yeah.
We should put a giant tarp over the racetrack.
We have enough issues. We don't need any more. The Superdome up there, collapse with all the snow and the rain and all that stuff.
I was just going to say get high off all the exhaust fumes.
We have enough of that problem. No, it's bleak. We want to go racing, but gives me a chance to work on the race cars a little bit more. I got the sedan I got to do the brakes on, and rebuilt the steering rack for the coupe. Gonna put that in, see how that feels. But it's like another week before I get to test it and drive it, make sure it's okay, and all that stuff. And just getting antsy because what did we race? Once in the last 5 weeks.
We raced last week.
Well, we did Evergreen and we did Riverhead. So,
I don't know. I've been at Riverhead more often than you have in the past couple weeks.
Well, because you work there.
Oh, yeah. And I'm hoping Mother Nature doesn't take out any more of my systems.
Yeah, like we're all, you know, you think we're saving money by not racing, but we go to see Dennis and we spend more money.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like,
no, let me keep racing so I don't spend as much money.
Yes, well, without crashing. But yeah, no, this is going to set up to a...
I'm just zooming in on puddles. Don't mind me.
It's going to end up with a pretty wild second half of the season to the end. I think everybody's going to be a little antsy. Everybody's going to be a little like...
Oh, it's going to be a mess.
It's going to be a mess.
It's going to be a mess.
So, yeah. We'll work on the race cars. We'll look for more speed. We'll look for more parts to replace. To
upgrade.
Make sure they don't break. You know, replace the parts that we think that we checked all the time. We check and all that stuff. And we'll see what happens because we're rethinking our plans because of travels and stuff like that. So We will obviously finish out with Riverhead. The plan is to go to Evergreen if we get a good tow vehicle. Uh, Other than that, we got to see. But the more and more I talk about the Turkey Derby, how I'd love to do it, their restrictions and guidelines and all that stuff, it's almost like you have to build a special car or build a car for that track and then use it everywhere else. And I don't think we're up to that level yet. So, we'll see. We do the ISO 300, which was something that my family did when we were kiddos, Islip Speedway and all that stuff. So, doing the Turkey Derby is something on my bucket list, but we'll see how that goes for this year. We'll be there. I don't know about racing.
You know Bill's going to be disappointed.
I know. But we'll see.
Maybe you'll hop in someone else's car.
We'll see. It's one of those things that, right around the holidays and all that stuff, I get 2 full cars now. When I
No. Just tell Mark to bring the 310. You'll race that.
Get it ready.
Because you totally would hop in that.
Oh, absolutely.
That was the factory stock
The
that
factory stock that I practiced in and
that
raced
you
in.
helped get functional.
Yes. But
I don't know if we've actually talked about that car on the channel yet.
no,
So,
probably not.
see, and I'd be totally fine with that if they didn't bolt the friggin' giant ass Napa hat to the roof.
If Napa sponsors us and gives us money, then they can have the hat on the car.
Absolutely. If.
Yes.
Anyways,
So, yeah, sure.
it's raining.
It's raining.
Ed has work to do.
Yes, I do. So, I'll be out in the garage once I get Dino all set for the night.
A little loaf.
Think he's pretty set for the night.
No, he wants me. Peace out.